We need to prioritize the Lord in our life. Before we even start applying anything in terms of our children, the first thing we need to do as humans, but then of course as parents, is we say, God, you come first. You are the one I look to for guidance. You are the truth that I follow. And I model that in my life. I live with God as my priority. Then, after that follows that we teach our children about the Lord. And we model what it looks like to follow Him wholeheartedly. So if you as parents say, I choose to worship the Lord wholeheartedly through my daily life, but also in coming to church, and I bring my children with me, they're going to learn from you, just without you even saying a word, that God comes first. God is my life. Jesus is my Savior. When they stand next to you and you are raising your hands and you are closing your eyes and you're worshiping God and you are praying out loud with them, that will become easy for them as well, because they have already seen it. They've already become used to it.